Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Discord on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find a list that includes your applications and also your games. In the right, you're gonna find your game library. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your installed games and apps. And here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find games and also media. And here on the right, you're gonna find search, settings, and also right here, you're gonna find the profile icon. So right now, I'm gonna go back right here to games. So basically guys, right now, if you want to use Discord on PlayStation 5, all you need to do guys is click on the PlayStation or the PS button on your controller. And then once you do that, here in the bottom, you're gonna find power, home, switcher, downloads and uploads, notifications, network, and here you're gonna find game base. So go ahead and click on game base, and then right here in game base, you're gonna find all of your online friends and also all of your a list that includes all of your friends. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna also find your parties. Right here, you're gonna find messages. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find Discord. So basically guys, this is how you can access Discord on your PlayStation 5. Right here, you're gonna find all of your servers. For example, I'm gonna click on this one. Then once you do that right here, you're gonna find all of the available voice chats. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.